wish for aha Ghana 7 TVGH. Mesra like a comment, subscribe, turn your notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Wish for the say there. Require say ye wo mampeni mienu e wo man we mu. Ene no kreno. We have two presidents. Manka say ye wo president ni vice president o. Debbie, ye wo two presidents. Say there. Ye wo national president, any international president of Ghana. Now, national president, no dear, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, only a national president. But who call the international scene, no swa? Yembunu was national president, no, Ghana president too. Yembunu. Because international community name say, John Mahama, His Excellency, sorry, sebi, only she offer. No, nothing novel, nothing unheard of before, and nothing new. Anka, Ebeka say, oh, wait there, I drink ye juma, or be using a drink, a social policy, and I say intervention. Would they look back on John Mahama's administration? Nothing of the sort. But the international presidents say, go for Bebre, enemna, Dr. Bawumia, for ni aura and the kind of respect or marshal or commandi before international community easy. Nanu John can say Dr. Bawumia eko PA London School of Business. For abrofo question na mo bisa papa no. Very tough and difficult questions. Lambasting him, not lambasting, but blasting him with questions one after the other. But ninyi ne papa no utina se aye calm, keeping it cool, yanu one after the other. When skippy biao, we utimi yanu one after the other. To the extent say, abrofo amuti meeting I say no, they were clapping. See obiti say ewo wa. Ghana for to Abama, Quen for. Abrofo na ebisa sazemu. Say Bema na dwuma do. Onum nsa. Ti say Alhaji Dr. Bawumia. Etina ho pa ma Ghana for. Makwa to Abama, papa no. You see, makachire say, you see about to it does not only have national implications. It has external, international implications as well. The kind of, and I say the caliber of person people have voted for to be their leader. No, it tells the international community about the reasoning faculty of the people. And to be sure, like I say, first year na Ghana fokoto abanoma Mahama research be by say kanu we are seeing na Ghana for as a year third yadwumo from pa. Enye bibianti o abato ayakoto 2024 intia abato on intia enti enne se wo share video we not me who say debut whilst his excellence John Dramani Mahama onu there he is giving out state properties or the money and all those Dr. Bawumia is going to Canada, is going to Qatar, is going to Saudi Arabia, is going to Germany, is going to UK, is going to US, all over, holding lectures. And lectures that are revolutionary. That is the kind of leader we want. For me, brother, a friend of Water Senior Minister, he has a very interesting way of putting this. I want you to listen to him. But before we go into that, for our studio, Mumbai, why? Naba now screen I say, Kito Abianswa. Help us to build to get the gadgets ready for our studio. Movie free, meet them. Now don't go anywhere. The conversation is happening. I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. So, the American say, me per se, MPP near Oma, your friend is my trimunya out there, and I say we are proud to say we are MPP ni because 28th of this month, your leader na yekoyi no Dr. Mahama Bawumia. Well, kokasa I think school of London School of Economy or UK or kokasa or as a guest or could deliver speech a border with your friend is saying artificial intelligence send your baby Africa. This is very, very impressive. Now maybe some one question bebre say me nuaba adentina say ye call ye pe say omo organize international conference bi na say a border with economics and say but a border with the development of Africa. You invited Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Did you ask yourself these questions? Adentina ye organize bibi for Africa ho betman development be about Africa. Ebema changes be about Africa. Na say ye tutu yani our 54 country in Africa ha. You invited Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I'm already fi say obey just vice president or new president in that. Obaya no na Ghana na yet be at saying Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be a vice president, on my concron Ghana. Ni bibi a friendly data. Many about what way. Adaya be wo information be any ho. Obenye the 100 years kwa asa. There's no record there say sister biaba sa asi we should your friend is saying. Your friend iron lady. And I say me vote amiti hey. Say metna sase so semidi na mi wu kwa record bi enu eche say obi aba sase we so a your friend voter eye ade a udwene ho a wonte ase abi a abrofo no baby omadu no emo akura omo mamu no omo ne omo dodo until say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be vice president Nana Duba Abemu no na Ghana ni data bi a say we original data containing the information of Ghanaian people. President Kofo started and this is so 8 good solid years. Oman print a single card Ghana ni bia. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia buy because Oyedmo Bank of Ghana crab 20 years ago no nyina no. Now what the book actually say I saw mine Ghana yenye national identification card. And no the basic of Ghana economy no. And your buyer no I did see any sooner say so bet to me ama omaya tumpon as I say to me the data of this country. Or to me many oka say Ghana card a very a card the whole world 3 countries per and the obi about 196 countries are or more account platform so obetumi use Ghana card as a traveling agent a traveling document every country be ma Ghana 196 countries and a Ghana card a wallet. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko kan a letter mribi by 5 years ago can say Ghana card mribi by traveling document a be passport and this food din attempt so you throw for in fact comment ni bi akwa friend graphics me graphics asem we da okotena Peace FM was it Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was a disgrace to the country Ghana because also akwa can say Ghana card a traveling document Ghana card be passport by nyina ba mu. And then, what's your position? This is very international platform. I can see for more we are in a coso. Ya invite Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And nothing I may say, so young people ni babunu, we young people ni member, ma witisu we ni jemu, if you say, baby, you want ni mundi fuwa, odi ya nim. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be transform Ghana. Say, yetumi mani, benya tumi wa Ghana ha. Me say Ghana be krabehwe under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia presidency. Because papa no so study na on kasa keke o. Obia o follow Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia biano what the corner kofa tam o opposition lectures ahodo a why amanfo di boni tiri so any oba government oba aban mu niam a wo ka no opposition wo sa ofa be 100% why mu be 95%. Ene media me follow no papa sa de we me follow no matie enim say obesa a project Ghana e international platform bebre so amanfo be sa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ntino amanfo be pese oman Ghana hefa no omo be kai say na say okọ yidi use for omo platform so ogia ne comment wie ye all the big media stations omo wi ase Al Jazeera BBC Sky TV ni Sky FM no ene your friends aja o chese o hwe comment omo kan obi ana na mapa we ofri hefa and then I go to chamber or can send me a yam the raw. What say platform no course or no? You be son of question for economy. What year no? Or but and every continent be any problem a war any senior sa question ye be son no. A bit to me solve those continents no problem. Or ka Africa there, or ka Asia there, or ka Europe there, or ka America there. You be son one question. What to me are very specific. And to me addressing according to every continent in the world. This is the Maya. What you say, Adian was here now when Nimadiano Gunitrimu, and he said, on the power through Memu, now yet now got 2 ballot papers. So now I find a 1 hour trouble of John Mahama. And you have been say a tear, you sanitary part and obeche. And the end is for the media, the American say, ya no yanka humbom. Media minim say 2020 election do omo dia chayen our silver platter so because koko kuafo omo to abamo me nu yaba when him say South Parliament omo to abama NDC for power omo ye cocoa farmers any farmers because South Western North ye won 9 constituency and e wo ho omo so produce cocoa power Ghana ha ya odwabo so constituency yo se yo so akontomra bodi anwi constituency Swaman constituency Babiani Bia East Bia West and this MPP arena just Swaman constituency 8 ni nyina NDC for na arena e kira say cocoa farmers ya na omusu cocoa farmers ya na omu charge ajo no omu nyina about 80% omu ya NDC for. That's why now omusu no NDC for say ya MPP for na ye twa ye ho na ye de ya kwhye omachi and no kira say yes binia sa na omu
nti ebinom su no MPP for na akokunkum won
yes binia when him say all the cocoa growing area no abana ye to ye no NDC for we need be 80%. So far data na now say baby NDC for nya vote to pay baby farmers any cocoa farmers wo and a kuani su what in the cocoa ade e bin see da na nsam omede justification to omoji woti a ayayro ho almost international market about from na do for the ban 2017 the same thing happen here o maintain price you know president Kufuor town o maintain in fact cocoa sector for there me me catch us MPP aban and aboa cocoa for pa ya kan say enya Kufuor na buy ya na cocoa one bag 21 cedis 21 cedis or buy ya all corner within 80 no amaswa could be 128 cedis now amakoko akosoro wa mpacha fertilizer wa ye pollination wa ye mine spray cocoa if you come in Nkrumah tam na yet 300,000 tons no president Kufuor free so na ya hit 1 million tons cocoa kuani etumi cocoa bag acre back etumi produce best 5 bags no Kufuor tam or so we apply fertilizer and pollination utimi ti be 30 bags per hectare Akufo adon so ba ye cocoa dua na ewu ye na swallow shoot say ni nyina no otwanyi nyina egu ye eye 97,000 ya fra cocoa trees Akufo adu twa ye otumi bon modern eye mu be ye 55,000 cocoa abrewa bedi a waye cocoa ye twa cocoa no gu a obesa ma usika ka bi obomo 1000 cedis wa man crofo pa no man dua cocoa no anybody body si ama wo twa body no adi no wasan akoye den wasan cocoa no asan do ho ama oye we nyina okogisco African Development Bank $600 million e de yes ade no and si ba ye sa de no nyina o magyae enti media na meka ne say 2028 election de nyame ma yankwa na o ma ya hoden na ye gidi say ye leader na ye di na chi no obeba ba wini political power na o wini a Ghana fo behu amamuo papa Ghana behu say esremni papa woni amamuo papa enye sremni asabi se boy kronfo enye sremni o cha sanitary pad enye sremni a o de Ghana japade be mani nuan awo Ghana ha ye be nya sremni a obe implementing proper policies obe implementing innovative policies obe implementing pro social intervention policies no economy na ejina and the end is for and mountain na mo wase na mo kan kwase asem no eye mo amasem yen ba bi ye du no yen nimba bi a yekọ yen nimba bi a ye free yen nimba bi a yekọ leader na obe lead ye no wono na watumi ayadan watumi a propose practical solution ama every problem ya Ghana yenya on the man ye hu say obetumi the medical drones ache drone ama hospital